for my vacation in November and went to Peru. It is the first time that is travel we planned and to another country. A fit they away they give me my passport, and as the sun is cheaper than the Colombia currency, I was also able to get to come the cuisine of Peru. The food is delicious, but fatiguing a lot. It was also able to get to come the ocean. Don't come the sea. They were some days because at the surf and want to learn to swim. I got to come the desert um and the sea lion Alton in awarded one vacation to bet able to save a lot of money and go to um, South Korea to the sea the cherry blossom and meet me with me my K-pop and idols and some dramas. Also eat and see their costumes.